Good morning, class.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, madam.
How are you?
We are fine, thank you, madam.
Let us sit down. So it is time for mathematics, huh? Today we want to learn about rounding off numbers to the nearest 10. Can you say rounding off numbers to the nearest 10? Everybody?
Rounding off numbers to the nearest 10.
Everybody?
Rounding off numbers to the nearest 10.
We are going to round off those numbers to the nearest 10. But before we start rounding off the numbers, we want to remind ourselves about what we learned yesterday. Who can remind me what we learned about yesterday? You got up your hand? Yes? Very good. We were arranging numbers in descending order. Everybody say descending order.
Descending order.
We had some numbers, then we were arranging them in descending order. What do we say about descending order? We start from which number? Got up your hand. We start from which number? Yes? Anybody? Boys? Very good. We were arranging from the largest number to the smallest number. So example, if we have like 176, we have a number like 220, 110, 480. Look at these numbers. Can you read for me the first number?
176.
The second number?
220.
The next one?
110.
Then the last one?
480.
Then you are told arrange the numbers in descending order. So descending order means you are starting from the largest number to the smallest number. Then you look at the numbers, all of them. This is 176, 220, 110, and 480. So among these numbers, which number is the largest? You got up your hand? Yes? 480. So you start arranging from 480. It is the largest number, followed by which number? Just check on the number, then you got up your hand. Girls, yes? 220, very good. Next number, very fast. This is yesterday's work, yes? Odama? 176, very good. Lastly, everybody? 110 is the smallest number. So when you look at this arrangement here, 420 is the largest number, then 110 is the smallest number. When you arrange numbers like this, you are arranging in descending order. Everybody say descending order.
Descending order.
So this is what we were looking at yesterday. Today we want to look at a very different thing known as rounding off numbers. Can you say rounding off numbers?
Rounding off numbers.
Everybody?
Rounding off numbers.
So under the rounding off numbers, I had already taught you about the place value. Do you remember the place value? So the place value shows the position of a number, a digit in a number, the position of a digit in a number. So let us look at this example here. Don't write. We want to look at an example. We have a number like this. Can you read for me this number?
26.
This is number 26. Then you are being told that round off number 26 to the nearest 10. To the nearest? To the nearest? So you go back and get the place value of each digit. The first digit is number 6. What is the place value of digit 6? You got up your hand. What is the place value of digit 6? Yes, Odama? Ones. Very good. This is ones. Then what is the place value of digit 2? Yes? Tens. Very good. So our question is saying that we are rounding off to the nearest 10 and we have the ones here, then the tens is here. So it means we are going to round off digit 2. We are going to round off digit 2. Why are we rounding off digit 2? Because it is in the tens position and our question wants the nearest 10. So you look for the number that is in the tens position. Tumeelewana vizuri? So we are going to round off number 2. Then what are we going to do? You check the number ahead or in front. The number in front after tens. Which number is this? 6, isn't it? So we want to look at this number 6 here. The one we are rounding off is digit 2, which is in the tens position. So this is digit 2, we want to round it off. Then we look at position 6 in the ones position. Then we have this thing here. If a number has the following digit, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here we add 0. We add, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We are going to add 0. Tumeelewana vizuri? Then we have the other side, number 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Here we are going to add 1. We add 1. So it is your work to check the number in front of tens. This is number 6. Number 6 iko kwa plus 0 ama plus 1. When you check here, do we have 6 here? Do you have 6 here? 6 is on the other side. 5, 6. 6 is here. We have 6 here. 6 is here. So if it is 6, we are going to add 1 plus. Because 6 is here, we are going to add 1. And where are we going to add that 1? Where are we going to add 1? Number 2 or number 6? Just try. Just say any number. Tutaandika wapi? So, sio hapa. Huyu 6 ametuletea 1. So this one we are going to add to our tens. Tens ni nani? 2. So hii 2 tutasema plus 1. 2 plus 1, what are we going to get? 2 plus 1, it is 3. Then this 6 turns to become 0. It becomes 0. Then we say 26 rounded off to the nearest 10, we get 30. It means 26 is near 30 than near 20. Ukihesabu kuanzia 26 tutasema 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Tumeongeza ngapi? Only 4. So kutoka number 26 when you are going to number 30, it is very near, ni karibu. Lakini kutoka 26 unarudi 20 ni mbali, si ndio? So we round off going to number 30. Number 26 is near number 30. Tumeelewana? Aya, let us look at another example, example 2. Don't write, just look on the blackboard. We have a number like look at that number. Which number is that? Number 32. So we are being told that round off number 32 to the nearest 10. To the nearest 10. Alafu tunaanza number 1, it is the place value. What is the place value of digit 2? Ones. This is ones. What is the place value of digit 3? Tens. So which number are we going to round off? Is it number 2 or number 3? The one that is in the tens position, which one? It is 3. We are going to round off number 3. Then, in front of number 3, mbele ya number 3, which number are we having? Number 2. Then you come back to this table here. Where is 2 found? Plus 0 or plus 1? Plus 0. Because when we look at these 2 here, we also find another 2 here. In front of 2, we are adding a 0. If that number is not 5, 6, 7, or 8, we just add 0. For number 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, we add 0. So because this number here is number 2, haijafika 5, tutasema plus nini? Plus 0. Tutasema plus 0. Then you say 3 plus 0. What do you get? 3. What do you get? Very good. You just get 3. Then what are we going to do to these 2 here? 2 will turn to 0. Alafu tutaandika hivyo. Tunaelewana vizuri? So when you round off number 32 to the nearest 10, it goes back to 30. Mbona tunarudisha 30? From number 32 back to 30. Number 32 ukienda 40 wapi karibu? Number 32 iko karibu na 30 ama iko karibu na 40? Iko karibu na 30, si ndio? So all the numbers yenye naishia 4 inarudi huko nyuma. Yenye iko 5 you add 1, we move to the next number. So 32 rounded off to the nearest tens is 30 because this 2 here is adding only 0. Any number below 5 you add 0. Any number above 5 you add 1. Tumeelewana vizuri? I want somebody to come and try out. Where is the duster? To try out this one. Mtu mmoja kuja tujaribie hii. Acha niandikie hapa ndio utoshane naye. Somebody to come and round for me off this number 58. Kuja ujaribu. Ukishindwa tutakusaidia. Nani atajaribu? Come and try. Kuja mtu yote, girls, boys, kuja. Ikikushinda tutakusaidia tu, haina shida. Round off number 58 to the nearest 10. You should be looking at the blackboard. Tuangalie anafanya nini. Nasema nini? Which number are we rounding off? We are rounding off number 5. He does. Then you can also say he does. But when we are using we say we do. You say you do. Very good. He has gotten it right. 58 rounded off to the nearest 10, we get 60. Can you clap for him? Clap for him. That is very good. Huh? So write the 2 examples in your books. Write the 2 examples in your books. Then I want to give you 2 more questions. Everybody now to try out. I'll be walking around.